Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download Wargroove. And before I start, make sure you enable the subtitles on my videos to understand better what I say. This game was suggested by a fan. He told me to make a video on how to download Wargroove, and I decided to make a video on how to download Wargroove today. So yeah, let's start. Of course, the link will be in the description, and once you click the link, you will see that it says here Wargroove free download version 1.3.0. If you go to the Steam version, which is the paid one, if you scroll down a bit, it says 1st of August version 1.3.0. So this is the most latest version that Steam has, and the website also. When this video gets outdated in like some months, make sure you go to the website to check for any updates, because it won't be version 1.3.0. It may be, for example, version 1.3.1.2.3 and goes on. And yeah, once you're in the website, scroll down to find the download links. Unfortunately, there is not a torrent link. You actually do not need the torrent link because it's only 336 megabytes. It's not a lot at all. And I recommend you downloading the game from mega.nz because it has it downloads faster than the other ones. I also recommend downloading it from Google Drive. It's the same as mega.nz with fast downloads, but you can download it from wherever you want. And once you click the mega.nz link, it will say wait for 6 seconds to click to redirect you to the mega.nz or something like that. Do not worry, wait for 6 seconds and then click something that says click here to download or something like that. And yeah, once you're here, click download. I have already downloaded, that's why it says completed transfer. Click download, and once you have downloaded the game, this is what you should have. What you need to do, right click and go extract here. It's gonna extract the game, and it will take out the folder that it has inside. And once you have extracted the folder, what you need to do, go to the win64_bin and then double click to the game itself. You do not need any cracks for this, it's already pre-cracked. And yeah, we're gonna launch the game right now. Unfortunately, there is no online multiplayer for this. You can play it on local internet, but unfortunately there is no multiplayer. Let me turn down the sound really quickly. Oh, it's already down, good thing. And for example, if we go to multiplayer and click online, it will crash the game. I'm not going to do it because I'm going to show you that the game works. I'm going to go to single player, and if you click this, it's not going to work, but you can play local with your friends. Right now we're going to go to single player. I do not know this game at all. I'm just gonna play, and as you can see, the game is working perfectly fine. I haven't played this game, I haven't watched any tutorials, and yeah, as you can see, the game is working perfectly fine. And yeah, that's the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section, and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section, and I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.